Hi creators, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to turn ordinary text into a full talking video using a 100% free AI tool, and we're doing it step by step. It's easier than you think, and by the end you'll have a video that speaks your words out loud, ready to post anywhere. Ready? Let's get started.
You don't deserve to fight this rain alone.
Thank you.
I didn't expect kindness tonight.
Full of surprises.
Maybe the rain brought the right stranger.
Maybe this doesn't have to end with the rain.
It won't. Not if you let me meet you again.
By the end of this tutorial, you'll learn how to create realistic AI characters that actually speak right from your text, just like the Nigerian love drama scene you just watched. Now, Queen, show them how you did it.
Welcome to my channel. This is AI Mastery Tutorial, your one-stop, step-by-step AI tutorials. Please subscribe to join us.
And all these you saw were generated with text to video using MindVideo AI Sora 2 free. But don't worry, no paid tools, no complicated editing. Only if you can type, then you can create more stunning videos like these ones you just watched. So grab your scripts because I'm about to show you how to generate a talking video from your text in minutes with zero budget. So let's get started. So our step one is to generate our script using ChatGPT. So over here in our ChatGPT, this is the prompt that I use. And I'll drop the prompt on the description box as well so that you can edit and make use of it. The prompt says, give me a 45-second Nigerian love drama packed with hook in 3 scenes, starting from 0 to 15 seconds each. I'm using MindVideo to generate. Include scene setting, character settings, action breakdown 0 to 15 seconds, AI visual prompt, dialogue lightning, camera movements. Let the scene have continuity by connecting with each other for a smooth real-life movie. And add main characters details features. Make it a ready copy and paste prompt. So this is what I just gave to ChatGPT to do for me. I've instructed them on what to do and look at what they did. Look at what they gave to us. They gave us a ready copy and paste prompt to just copy it and paste it into the AI that we want to use to generate our content from ordinary text to a movie, to characters that talk, multiple characters for that matter. So this is everything. You can look at the scene here. He generated the main characters. We have 2 characters involved. We have Kelechi and Amarachi, a male and a female. And look at the description that is given to us by ChatGPT. Look at the tone. It's a romantic tension, emotional, vulnerability, Lagos urban realism. Okay, now look at it. They generated it into 3 scenes. The first scene is scene 1 from 0 seconds to 15 seconds. And you can see what ChatGPT give us, just exactly what I ordered for. I told ChatGPT to give me the scene setting. You can see the scene settings. You can see the action of the movie from 0 to this. You can see the dialogue, what happened inside there. You can see the lightning. You can see the camera movements. And you can as well see the AI visual prompts. So with the use of this my prompt, I will drop it for you in the description box. You go ahead and make use of it and use exactly this. You are good to go. You will create content. You will create cinematic movies using ordinary text. No stress at all. Okay, so look at the second one. You can see the scene 2. Scene 2 starts from 15 seconds to 30 seconds. And you can see the scene 3. So having gotten our script from ChatGPT, what we need to do is to copy our script the way it is. We'll copy our script and take it to the next step, which is generating it as a video using ordinary text. All right. So what we'll do here now is to press hold. We'll copy it from this main character. You press hold. Okay, the version of ChatGPT I'm using, as I press hold, it's asking me to select or to copy the entire text. What I'll do is to hit on the select text, and it will open this way for me to copy it. So I press hold again. I quickly copy everything here, and I'm going straight. You can see what the thing I copy. I copy it from there down to the end of scene 1, which is here. You can see, and I copy it. So my prompt led me to online WordPad. Okay, I want to use my online WordPad to adjust it a little bit. Not the script, but just the things that is not supposed to be here, like the main character description. Okay, this one can be here. You can see here, you will need to put in Nigeria, let's specify its main character. Main Nigerian character. Please specify the country you want your characters to appear, so that they will not go and generate a different country for you. Do you understand? So that's why I bring it here to adjust it. Okay, now remove features or description. Just choose one so that you will not confuse the AI. Okay, so this is what the guy is. This is the girl, the lady. Okay, and this is the tune they are going to use. So over here you can adjust all of this. This is the scene 1. You can see the scene setting, everything just as we copied it earlier. They are all here. So what I'll do here now is to select everything that is here. You can see that I've selected it and I hit copy. So this will now move on to the AI video generation that we want to use. And we are going to use MindVideo. Okay, we are going to use MindVideo. This is MindVideo environment. I've already dropped the link to MindVideo, is there in the description box as well. So go over there and pick it up to use it, and it will bring you to this place. When you open the link, it will bring you to the home page of MindVideo. Look at their home page. This is the home page of MindVideo. It will give you this. Okay, as you give you this way, just come over to these 3 lines here, and then pick display the right AI video. Use text to video. All right. You remember we are converting our text into a video. So we are going to touch text to video. All right. So on this text to video, you can see it here. You can see over here. Look, let's look at the AI that they have. What we are using is Sora 2 free. Look at the coins here is zero credits. You are not going to use credits. You can, with this place, you can generate 4 15 seconds each, which is about a minute video in a day. All right, they are doing it for you for free, 4 times for free. So you use this particular one that is Sora 2 free. Okay, so over here the right, drop your prompt. Here is where you drop your prompts. So I press hold and I paste. Can see now I paste my prompt, all that long prompt, everything entered, and it can take up to 3,000 letters. Okay, what we are able to use is just half, 1,598. All right, so look at it, everything is done here. So after I've dropped my prompt, the next thing we'll do over here is to choose the aspect ratio we want to use. For me, since it's a tutorial, I need it on a landscape, which is 16:9. I touch 16:9. But for you, if it's a portrait, please use the actual ratio that you want. All right, so you can come over here. The video length, look at the video length, 15 good seconds. So this Sora 2 free will generate 15 seconds per each of these video. So when we are okay with this, the next thing we'll do is to hit our generate. So when you hit the generate, you will notice this green icon here that is loading. You just touch it and check what is generating for you. Okay, by this time, this is night. It's telling you that over 285 persons are on queue. You can imagine it's already gone and the generation has already started. So it won't take long time, within 3 to 10 minutes, but it will not ever get to 10 minutes. It has never gotten to 10 minutes any day. So just allow it, within 3 minutes, our generation will be ready. All right, our video is ready. Let's look at what MindVideo AI generated for us using a test. Let's have a look at it. Let's see it from here.
You don't deserve to fight this rain alone.
Thank you.
I didn't expect kindness tonight.
Wow, that was amazing. You can see two characters talking. So you will agree with me that this is awesome. Generating a video from a simple text. You can see how everything worked out perfectly. The two characters we are talking, both the guy and the lady, both of them talked by just using ordinary text to create a video. This is wonderful. So let's take the second video as well. Go to your ChatGPT. We'll copy our prompts. And now over here, we've arranged our prompt. Look at the second prompt here. Look at the second scene here and what they say. But under here, they write, under the AI visual prompt, they write two Nigerian adults walking by roasted wheat. So instead of writing two Nigerian adults, what we'll do here over here is to specify the Nigerian adults by selecting Kelechi and Amara. We'll copy the two characters and replace them with these two Nigerian adults. Okay, we'll paste it here. Then we'll have to adjust the place. We have to adjust the place, Kelechi and Amara. Okay, yeah, this is it. Because so that it will still carry the character effect, the character description along with this one. So let's copy everything here. Let's select everything. And let's head over to our MindVideo AI and drop it. So if you want to drop your second prompt now, what you need to do is to click back by touching that arrow there. And then you go back again so that you can be able to drop in your new prompt. Now we'll drop our second prompt here. Don't forget to choose your ratio, the ratio that you wish to use. Okay, so we'll drop all of this here now. And then we hit generate. So we'll come back after the generation is ready. Is the video generating again? Let's see. All right, it's already generating. So we'll be back later. All right, even our second video is ready as well. Let's see what the second one come out with. Let's see them. Look at them eating, enjoying, and flexing their corn.
Full of surprises.
Maybe the rain brought the right stranger.
You can see that. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Okay, let me know what you think in the comment section. Was the text to video a good one? Was it a perfect one? How about their lip sync? Did they actually talk well? Did the video crafted well? Just let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to share it. Share it so that people will learn as well. Not just you. You have learned. Share. Let other people learn with you, and give us a subscribe, the subscribe button to join the community, and as well give us a thumbs up. All right, see you. I'll be expecting your comments in the comment section. See you on the next one. Bye for now.